year is finally here, and of course, it's another opportunity to get a new side hustle to end this year on a great note. I'll give you all the details necessary to start with a beginner-friendly guide, so make sure you watch this video till the end because I will reveal the exact step-by-step plan for making $2,000 online in 2023 without selling anything. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. If this is your first time making money online, then follow the steps I outlined in this video. To begin, just visit incognitomoney.com/tapmob or use the Tapmob app. We plan to use this to earn cash and have it in hand in 2 working days. Whereas elsewhere you would have to wait a week or more. Here, you might only have to wait 2 business days. This application is now invite only, so if you want to sign up, you will need to use the referral code 8964 to get authorized right away, and you can join right away even if you don't have a sizable online following. After signing up and being verified, proceed to the offers section and you will see that there are lots of deals available right now. We have CPA opportunities with DoorDash, FIFA, work from home jobs, iPhones, and a wide range of other items. However, the payments for promoting these cost-per-action offerings are unrivaled, and all you need to do to earn them is have people give you their email addresses. Here, you can see that the payouts go from $3 to $10 to $25. This strategy can help you earn over $2,000, and I'm going to show you how it works. Gather a few of these job offers together as an example of what you need to accomplish. Let's use Domino's, and they will give you a gift card for that restaurant good for £50. Numerous employment opportunities exist. Scroll down and you will see many more, such as Shein, DoorDash, Gymshark, Work From Home Netflix, Work From Home YouTube, Work From Home Food Tester, and so on. Right, so how do you plan on getting them? Pick a deal and copy this link into your laptop. Additionally, if you look closely, you will see that most of the connections lead to the same place. Right here, only the very final digit is going to change. That being said, I now have the offer in hand. At this point, your goal should be to receive between 5 and 7 Tapmob work-from-home job offers. And then, once you have that, there is no need for you to do anything at all. Be prepared to add a payment option once you begin receiving payments. Thus, you might get paid out once this app starts generating income for you. Now that we have everything ready, let's go to this website right here called Linked.me. Just sign up for no cost, and you will get access to their free landing page builder for promoting many links simultaneously. And finally, it will look like this. First things first, head over to the section labeled links. After that, we'll have our affiliate links posted here. This will generate our basic landing page, which will look something like this and allow us to promote many affiliate links and CPA offerings simultaneously. The steps to incorporate them into your work are provided below. Copy and paste your link into this box. Then select Create a new link and give it a descriptive title. You can see that it's going to steal the illogical title from the URL and place it here. Just give it a name that tells them what kind of deal it is and how much money they could make from it. I see. This is the plan for each one of those offerings. Make sure it's tailored to the deal because generic language won't get you far. While we pause for a moment, why don't you please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you will see more of our awesome videos for making money online. Now, back to the video. Next, you should adjust your page's appearance to be highly persuasive. To do so, select Appearance, and then enter the name you'd want to give your avatar in the space provided. Simply save a PayPal logo that you can find by searching Google for paypal.png or PayPal logo. Put 2023's top home-based money-making opportunities in the title. All CPA offers will have 0 entry barriers and pay you for every individual who signs up through your link. Therefore, a single person has the potential to sign up to 6 of them, and you will be paid a minimum of $3 for each of them. That is, if just one individual is willing to try each of these CPA offerings, you can earn $18. Let us keep tweaking things until we have it just right. It's recommended that you use some standard layouts and a muted hue here so that the PayPal logo is easily recognizable by customers. Both the headline and the links may be easily seen. Proceed to the View Live tab, and this is what your finished page will look like, as you can see here. Now that we have everything set up, I'd like to demonstrate how to generate money from it. After all, if someone visits your website and goes on to complete an offer, you will receive compensation. You might be wondering, how can I get people to notice this deal? So that you don't have to put in much effort at all, I'm going to show you how to accomplish it automatically right now. And it will start producing money for you as soon as you set it up. Follow this simple step by going to Instagram and pasting the link to your brand new landing page. In other words, you need not to have a large social media following or even a social media presence at all. Please sign up for Instagram immediately if you don't already have one. The process is very similar to making a profile on Facebook. It's totally free, and I'll show you the hidden tip in a second. And it's a lot easier than you think. So you want to make sure you create some form of a profile page. Then in the bio, type something like, I make $750 per week from this automatic profile, 100% autopilot, no followers required, and save the profile. Now is the time to start renting out your profile. The reason is that this would debunk the myth that a certain number of followers is required to monetize Instagram. Because if you have a huge Instagram following of over 200,000 people, you can simply monetize your account by selling them ads. Now, they will see your profile, which will look like this. And the bio will say you make $750 each week from this profile. And they'll be like, how is that possible? After which, they will follow your link and finish up these CPA offers on the spot. Before we move on, let us know what you think so far about TapMob and include which country you're from. Write them down in the comment section below. For now, let's go back. So again, I know you're asking once you have a profile like that, but it still doesn't make me any money. In what ways may I monetize this profile? I have the bio, the link, and everything else I need. I'll show you the ropes here. All you have to do is check out growthbeast.io. If you want more followers on Instagram, you can get one with this free Chrome extension. I'll show you the pricing structure now, and you will notice that they provide a free trial for 3 days as well as paid plans that you can afford to pay for in the future. All it takes is one conversion to cover your monthly fee. Therefore, when you visit Instagram on your browser, you will see this. Ideally, you'd click on it and then you'd see what you see here. Plus, you should use the growthbeast.io guide that will soon be available to begin following people who share your interest in earning money online. Now, who exactly are all these individuals? Using the search bar, you can locate one of the many inspirational groups and pages available on Facebook, such as the one called The Success Club, which boasts over 1 million subscribers. The next step is the most critical, looking through the comments to discover a post that amounts to a page shoutout and clicking on it to see the advertiser's content displayed. You may verify this by looking at the caption and seeing if any other Instagram accounts were tagged. After that, you should just start following the people who are showing interest in these topics. Quickly and easily begin following them with the aid of the growthbeast.io tool. These individuals have a keen interest in earning money over the internet, and when they discover that your Instagram account is following them, they will likely investigate more. They will read your bio, click on your link, and immediately begin completing CPA offers. This is how you can make over $2,000 with less than 100 individuals by completing offers. Let's talk about how your money will be transferred to you. An account into which money can be deposited is required. Signing up for a PayPal account is one of the simplest options available online. By the way, a PayPal account is free to set up. Another option that I think you should check out is Wise.com. This is essentially a fee-free international online bank account that operates similarly to a wire transfer. Basically, the fees are minimal at best and the most accurate currency exchange rates. Aside from that, signing up for an account costs you nothing. To obtain your account information, simply go to Wise.com, create an account, and follow the on-screen instructions. In addition to this is the method through which you can get your cash. So that's it. What do you think of this strategy we have for you today? Do you think think it will be one of the best strategies to make money online in 2023? Leave your thoughts below. Thank you very much for supporting us. We've enjoyed making this video for you today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell if you haven't yet to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future uploads. You can also check out our channel to see more of our excellent content. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.